This is a Master's Touch canvas, 16 by 20 from Hobby Lobby. Taped up with painter's tape, all that jazz. Let's see, how level are you? Pretty darn level. Okay, let's see how it looks when I spin you. Not so great. Not so great. Good. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do the two tones. So this is Glidden Premium Base 3 mixed with American Floetrol, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Obsidian, and Amsterdam's Lamp Black. It's a little runny. I don't know how I feel about this. I got some really bad batches of paint. I got a really weird one of Glidden Premium Base 1, I know that. Base 3 looked a little weird too. And a really weird, oh, and I have to take back my American Floetrol because it was, ugh, did it smell bad. When they go bad, when they're like no longer good, they stink so bad. So if you ever open your American Floetrol, or really Australian Floetrol, but mainly the American, and it smells, whoo-hoo, it's gone bad. That's one thing about getting paints from like hardware stores, because you always get a different batch. I mean, same with the Amsterdam paint, to be honest. Nah, I take that back. That's more affected by the container, honestly, which is so weird. But like containers, I think, affect the paint. Anyways, let's do this. Okay, this one was super runny too. That's what I meant. I got a weird batch. So hopefully this works out. That's another reason why, yes, you can follow the recipes to a T and still get different results. It's very personal. So it's all about how your touches, and then also knowing consistency. So if you get a bad batch, you can kind of like, okay, what do I need to do to this to make it work the way I want it to? Which I did. Because I first poured way too much American Floetrol because I was used to it being a little bit thicker. Anyways, let's do this. All right. Okay, now it's chipmunk mode, meaning I'm just going to speed this on up and I'm going to sound like a chipmunk. I mean, it's the ADHD speed. And just as I was ready to swipe, my phone died. So what can you do? But anyways, I ended up swiping with all three colors. I swiped with titanium white, oxide black, and the aqua green. So I swiped all over the place. And this is how it turned out. This is what it looked like when it was wet. It's crazy. It's all over the place. I mean, I'm having fun with this idea where I like, the idea is where I want it to look like it's being like either like ripped down the center and it's like exposing something, whether that's like the negative space in the center or if the sides are the negative space. But I'm trying to make something that looks like there's a tear, a rip in the canvas showing us a way into another world. Who knows? I don't know. Yeah, and then this is what it looks like dry. And last but not least, if you want to know the colors I used, I saved it for last. Stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll show you all the colors I used. Gold, let's see, golden copper, deeper gold, a little bit more of a richer gold I had left over. Let's use some Jo Sonja. Deco Art Extreme Sheen Gold. I just mixed right in the jar there. This one's going to be a lot lighter and kind of flowier. Because I didn't have a lot left. So it's just this kind of like milky thing. It's homemade orange I made from an iridescent orange, iridescent yellow, copper, neon orange. Frick, what else? Oh yeah, I put glisten in there. Gold. Yeah. So this one's just a hodgepodge orange. This is my espresso, iridescent espresso. I go to fluorescent orange, but this one is Deco Art Extreme Sheen. But I do have this Little Piggy Pigments Boogie coming, which is their opaque fluorescent orange. So I can't wait. That one's gonna, it should be here soon, but I'm gonna definitely use that one for the piece that, okay, so then I have this, I mixed copper and iridescent orange, neon orange, iridescent espresso, and Liquitex fluorescent red, and fluorescent pink. Crazy, huh? It's kind of cool. I like it. Okay, and of course, this Little Piggy Pigments Inferno, which is their opaque fluorescent red. And then Deco Art Extreme Sheen Copper. Deco Art Extreme Sheen Sky Topaz. Artist Lofts Deep Magenta. Pretty, pretty. One of my fluorescent neon purple from Folk Art. Yellow, opaque fluorescent yellow by this Little Piggy Pigments. It's called Techno. Okay, here's an interference from this Little Piggy Pigments. This is Comet mixed with Twinkle. I feel like when I do that, it kind of gives it a sequin feel because I love their interference sequins, the violet interference. It's really cool. I don't know how I feel about the Comet, to be honest. Maybe I just haven't figured out a good way to use it yet, but yeah. Here's another interference I'm probably going to throw in there, which is Glisten, my faves. I could probably use a little bit of Jo Sonja. Perfect. I love Glisten and sequins are my favorite interferences. Interferences, they don't look like much when they're just paint. What they do is they interfere with other paints and give this really cool effect. Super cool. I love it. I love it. Glisten and sequins are my faves. Paint, I guess.